Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Road to 1 million votes and still the number one in the voting lines of Miss Cosmo International 2024 competition, si Miss Philippines with 717,300 plus votes. At ngayon ay patuloy ngang nangunguna at lalo pang lumalago ang boto ni Miss Atisa Manalo for Miss Cosmo Social Ambassador by BHMED Award 2024 ng Miss Cosmo competition. The voting of this session ends at September 20, 2024, and the winners of each group will head to the next round to select the winner of Cosmo Social Ambassador Award. Kaya naman kung hindi ka pa nakakapagboto kay Miss Atisa Manalo of the Philippines sa Miss Cosmo Social Ambassador Award, vote now at maging parte ng Road to 1 Million Votes. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood at panatilihing nakatutok sa channel na ito para sa iba pang mga updates.